What if you could simplify business and customer relationship management end to end from a single platform? What if you could center your business around a unified ERP and CRM solution that's trusted, that works, and that meets your industry's unique requirements, all without the need for extensive or expensive customizations? Introducing GoldFinch Cloud Solutions, our enterprise resource planning ERP system. Built natively on the Salesforce platform, helps integrate all your most business-critical functions and lets you easily manage them from one place. It's anything but a one-size-fits-all cookie-cutter ERP system. At GoldFinch, we're here to bring cloud-based, tailor-made solutions to the businesses that need ERP most. The ones with complex supply chain processes, strict compliance regulations, and niche business management needs that are unique to their industry. Like those in food and beverage manufacturing, worried about maximizing inventory visibility and keeping perishable goods fresh. Those in nonprofit food banks, in need of a cost-effective way to streamline everything, from food distribution to accounting. Or those handling pharmaceuticals or medical supplies, where compliance is key and traceability is non-negotiable. We're the team of experienced ERP experts that prides itself on knowing your company and your industry as well as you do. The one with proven success in your vertical and a dedicated focus on continued support for industry-tailored ERP solutions. With GoldFinch, you get a guide through your ERP journey, from implementation through go-live and beyond, and a faster, better way to streamline and automate activities across key departments. Working in tandem with your Salesforce CRM, GoldFinch ERP supports comprehensive inventory management, financials and payments, manufacturing and sales order management, mobile applications, warehouse supply chain management. So you can tailor your ERP with a custom implementation plan that meets your unique requirements, address even the most stringent regulatory compliance issues with confidence, and give your teams one source of truth from which they can access data, act on it, and use it to collaborate more effectively. Ready to simplify all the complexity behind the scenes of manufacturing, distribution, and supply chain management? Speak with a specialist today for a personalized demo. Get in touch today and experience the GoldFinch Cloud Solutions difference firsthand. GoldFinch Cloud Solutions. Your success is our success.